Greetings, our lovely learners. Welcome to our channel. If you sometimes doubt what you are saying, tag questions will come to your aid. Tag questions. How to use them and what are the rules? If you need a bit of help with this, stay with me until the end of this video and find out more about this grammar. After this video, our free grammar quiz is waiting for you to check your understanding of these rules. Let's get started. What are question tags? Question tags are a type of question which are added at the end of a sentence to get confirmation of what the speaker has said or to clarify information. For example, "It is a wonderful evening, isn't it?" The last words, "isn't it," would be our question tag. To form a question tag, we need to use an auxiliary verb. It can be the verb to be, do, have, or modal verbs, can, should, must, and a pronoun that corresponds to the subject from the first part. In our example, the sentence "It is a wonderful evening, isn't it?" is positive, where I use the verb to be is. So at the end I add "isn't it." This "isn't it" we might translate as "don't you think so?" or "do you agree?" Or another sentence. "It was a wonderful evening yesterday, wasn't it?" "It was a wonderful evening" is a positive sentence, and I add a negative one at the end, "wasn't it?" As you can see, these sentences were positive. At the end, we added a negative one. If the main part of the sentence is negative, then in the question part, on the contrary, it will be positive. "It wasn't a beautiful evening yesterday, was it?" "She hasn't finished her homework yet, has she?" If the main part of the sentence has a modal verb, then the question tag must have the same modal verb. For example, "You can swim well, can't you?" "They should arrive soon, shouldn't they?" Pay attention to the tenses to understand how to form question tags correctly. For example, if the main part is in the present perfect, you use the auxiliary verb from the present perfect. If the main part is in the past simple, you use the auxiliary verb from the past simple. For example, "You like ice cream, don't you?" "He doesn't work on weekends, does he?" "She isn't coming to the party, is she?" "You have finished your homework, haven't you?" "They went to the park yesterday, didn't they?" "She wasn't listening to the teacher, was she?" If the pronoun I is used in the main part of the sentence, then the auxiliary verb to be is formed and turned into the verb are, not am. For example, "I am your teacher, aren't I?" "I am your friend, aren't I?" Also, don't forget that words like never, nothing, nobody have a negative meaning in the sentences. So in the question part, you use a positive auxiliary verb. For example, "She never goes to the gym, does she?" "There is nothing to worry about, is there?" "Nobody called me, did they?" I hope this was a clear and helpful explanation. And to check this, please follow the link in the video description to do the free grammar quiz to see if you understand this grammar correctly. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.